Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz from Google Trends. From the glamour of the Met Gala to the excitement of Eurovision, and even how we're searching for love and breakups, there's a lot to cover. So let's get started. First up, the Met Gala. This event always captures the world's attention. But do you know what the most Googled question was this year? What time does the Met Gala start? And here's a fun spike in searches. Anna Wintour's iconic sunglasses saw a whopping 1,050% increase in search interest. Clearly, fashion curiosity is at an all-time high. Moving on to Eurovision, a favourite among many. With a 950% increase in searches on how to watch it in the US, it's clear that this music competition remains a significant event. The top searched Eurovision entries from the US are Israel, Croatia, and Ireland. Are any of these your favourites too? Now, let's talk about the trends impacting our personal lives. The search term new relationship energy has spiked by 460% in the past week alone. It seems a lot of people are feeling the love, or at least curious about it. And for those trying to accessorize their life, searches for where to buy bog bag have reached an all-time high. But it's not all rosy. Let's touch on breakups and relationship standards. Queries like standards calculator and standards test are seeing unprecedented interest. It seems people are looking more into what they really want from their relationships. And for a bit of quirk, there's been a curious increase in searches for breakup bangs. Yes, hairstyles post-breakup are trending. Whether you're gearing up for a night out at the Met Gala, jamming to Eurovision hits, or navigating the complexities of relationships, Google Trends shows us what's capturing everyone's interest. Let me know in the comments below which trend surprised you the most, or which one you want to hear more about. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.